Good morning, guys. It is Race Car Richie, and I am back once again. So I am headed over to the machine shop right now, and I'm hoping they're going to be able to do my turbo this morning. It's just about 8 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, and I should be there in about 20 minutes. So I'm hoping the guy lets me record in there. That would be really, really cool to show you guys how it's actually done and how we can get that bigger wheel to fit inside that turbo. So stick around, enjoy the video, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment down below of what you want to see next. All right, guys, so I'm just leaving the machine shop now. Unfortunately, he's a little backed up this morning, so he's gonna call me when he's starting the project, and he'll let me come over and record a little bit, so I'll get you guys some footage of what's going on. All right, guys, I'm just leaving the machine shop now. It's Wednesday, actually. They were really busy yesterday and they weren't able to actually get to the turbo for me. So there's a turbo with the bigger wheel on it. All right. So sorry about that loud, obnoxious truck. So I'll show you exactly what they did. So this right here, they open this up about that much, I would say half an inch. So they basically bored it this way about half an inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing all assembled, and I'm gonna put it on my car. So hang out. All right, guys, we are back at the storage unit. So what I did was I painted the turbo housing like a silver, I guess you could say, or an aluminum color, and put a thing of clear on it. But what I want to do is I want to put the glitter on it and then put a clear coat on it. So where's my paint? Hold on one second. All right, so this is the glitter. It's a gold glitter, and this is the clear coat that I'm going to be using. Now this is regular glitter, so I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but there's it's just metal flakes. That's all it is, just glitter. So it's been sitting for about 5-10 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and clear coat it. Now this is my favorite clear. There's a lot of other brands of clear coat, but for some reason the triple thick glaze, it comes out a lot thicker, where you only really need 1 to 2 coats of it and you get that nice gloss finish. Unlike a lot of other clear coats, they're very thin, so it leaves it almost like an orange peel. You guys hear that? You guys hear that? What is that? What is that? Subscribe. Do it. Here it is. Much bigger. And here's the old wheel. So you can see, I mean, in person it's a huge difference, but this one, just say a little bit over 4 fingers, maybe like a 5th finger, and in this one it's just 2 fingers bigger. It's ridiculous. So first things first is we have to get the oil line hooked up, or the drain line. Otherwise, I can't get a wrench. I can't get a wrench in here to tighten this, so it actually has to be done apart, which is kind of a pain, but it is what it is. Let me get some cardboard from somewhere. I want to keep putting this on metal. Cool. It wasn't too hard to do. Make sure it spins freely. All right, one of the things I forgot to do is I got to torque that nut down. It doesn't really need to go that tight. It needs to go tight, but not what I like to call gorilla tight. Again, this is opposite threads, so we're going to act like we're loosening it, tighten it. Whoops. I think we're good. Whew, that was a close one. Alright, we're good. Yeah, that's my inner idiot. Alright, cool. So, first clamp. So the V-band is right here. We just got that on. This is spins freely, which means there's no blockage and it's on nice and straight. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I can actually hook up the exhaust side to it, and then I'm gonna hook up my oil feed line to the top right there, and then the turbo housing itself. I need you guys to stop what you're doing right now, put the video on pause, hit the subscribe button, and then finish watching the video. I just got it all mounted, and one of the things I forgot to do was to drill and tap for a reference line for the boost for the external wastegate. So I gotta take off the housing again and drill and tap the hole. Got my drill bit. This is a 1/8 NPT thread and my fitting. So I'm gonna do it quick and dirty. Put it same exact spot as the other one. Right. So we got our hole. Quick and dirty, boys. Let's get this thing back on. Sorry about that, guys. I lost you for a second. I kicked the, I stepped on the tripod and might have moved the camera a little bit. All right, flip on the main power. Flip on the ignition, turn my gauges on, hit the prime pump, and hey guys, it's Race Car Richie. So I'm sorry this video was a little boring. I just had to do the turbo. So that was kind of what this whole video was about. This was part 2 of the 1,000 horsepower turbo. So next video that we're gonna do is these seats. This seat right here is gonna be coming out, and my new Kirkley seat is gonna be going in. So that basically seat comes out. I have to take the rails off. And it has to be brought to a roll cage shop because the seat has to be mounted a certain way, because when I compete in NHRA events, the seat has to pass inspection and it has to be mounted a certain way. So I'm going to get it done by the pros to make sure it's in tip-top shape. Guys, we are so close to 2,000 subscribers. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Show you boys some love. Do it for the flash. By the way, I got here at 4:30 in the morning, so that is the sun coming up, hence why it's dark in the beginning of the video and light at the end.